being a performer and you're like really tired and you're like, oh God, I hope this audience helps me. So thank you for singing my word. I haven't actually quite figured out fitting mommy time and schedule time.